Oh, come on. What's that, Happy? Come on, push it.
You can do it. You can do it. Come on. Come on.
Good. Lakas oh.
Strong naman.
Wow!
What's that? Ay, tama ni
Show it to me na. Ano po yan? What's that? What's that? This toy is for others?
Yeah.
Why? Because they're toys?
Because it's buho. Ang galing naman ni Happy. Open yan. Can I see? Bigay ka ng... Wow! Ay, ang dami na mo ibibigay ng toys. Get one, show it po. Siya makapili, pare-pares ang Happy. Come on. Wow, Miss Mirabel! Bala Mirabel! Oh my God! Ang galing ni Happy. You're gonna give it to the Baha? Yes, the Baha needs that.
Can you show what's inside?
That's the reason why there's Baha. There's the toys, ha? Wow, may pencil! Happy, tingin mo mag-aaral ka sa bahay. Pero nakitulong niyan sa mga estudyante. May watercolor sa ako sa bahay na! What else? Come on! Come on! Can I see? Can I see the look? Can I see? Oh, there's more. There's magic water book talaga. Pambahang-baha talaga. Magic water book. Ang galing talaga ni Happy. Happy, you're gonna help many kids and they will be really happy while they are so bored waiting for the calamity to calm down. Yes! Oh, you put there na. Tapos dali natin doon, ha? Put it pa. Yay! Thank you po! Wait lang, Papi. Bibit-bitin niya na ganyan? Sa bagay, tapos babalik na lang
yung box. Kasi...
Paano pag dibinag na ate balik?
Yes? Ay, di ka lang. After this. Asa niyo ba? This, okay? What do you want? This one or this one?
Happy? Do you know why are you doing that? Why? Why are you putting there? It's for what? It's for the people outside because they need help. Because their houses have water inside. They are so wawa because of the rain.
Okay.
So we are helping other people, okay? Yan, magtali ka. Oh, gaya mo si ate, oh, tatali-tali niya. Yan, okay? Yeah, I don't know how. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. The important thing is you are helping, okay? Okay, it's okay. That is for what? For other people, di ba? Because they what? They need what?
Lagyan ng sabon.
Ay, si birthday, opo, si birthday. Ay, birthday, oo. Because they need help, because they have water inside their house, di ba? Opo. Ni Happy, tumutulong din eh. I'm so proud of you, Happy. You're doing a great job.
Happy, put it inside.
Sinacheck niya pa. Anak, nakaka-proud ka naman kayo nakapatumutulong dito. I love you.
Labas na yan.
Nakaka-proud din to babae to, oh. Proud na, oh. Nakaka-proud talaga, oh. Grabe, oh. Patingin nga, ang ganda, oh. Oh, ang ganda, oh. Oh, madali.
Ano ba?
Grabe naman to, oh. Parang ayaw umalis sa Pilipinas, oh. Tulong na tulong, oh. Ate, kailangan ba nakaayos ka? Magbibigay ka lang ng ano.
Oh, you get the big plastic.
Oh, come on. Get pa ng plastic. Get ka pa ng plastic. Come on. Get pa yung pink plastic. Come on. Okay, yes. That's a pink plastic. Okay, get everything. Come on. Okay, you get na. It's a Hello Kitty. Oh, nakadikit pala. Oh, Happy. Ito na. Ito na, Happy.
Okay.
Oh, come on. Oh.
Kompletuhin mo na kaya. Collection mo na kaya yan.
Nagkakagulo.
Okay. So you put it in the bag. Okay, then you do this. Talaga here. Yes, there. After like this.
Kasi wala tayong malagyan eh. Walang mag-guard sa atin kapag hindi tayo.
Pagbaya.
And then like this.
Pinaantay ka mag-guard sa'yo, babe.
Oh, happy. Happy.
Mapunta pa lang. Yan.
Hindi, ito na nakalagay na eh. Happy. Come on. Happy. Happy.
Ayan.
Happy. Come on.
Talaga, mama.
Happy. Come on.
Luwas na siya.
Happy. Babi, nape-pressured na si Happy.
Go, Happy, Happy.
Happy, faster, Happy.
May works pa dyan.
Happy. Nape-pressure na siya.
Open plastic, open plastic, open plastic.
It's Happy.
Ano na nga yung plastic natin, Ika?
Faster.
Okay, wait, okay, wait.
Bakit Happy? Babi, walis na to. Anak, vlog kasi ako para sa'yo.
Ano ka lang namin ito?
You got one Happy. You got one Happy, yeah. Did you like this?
Ate Marilis ko. Okay, o yung put soap na. Yung soap na, put the soap. Okay, yan, nag-sit down. Yung put the soap. Okay, come on. Faster, faster, faster. Faster. Oh, one soap lang, one soap lang. Give me another plastic. Very good. You're doing great. You're doing great. Okay. Go. Like that. Very good. Like that. Very good. Nilulukot na.
Ganun kasi yung mami, tinuro ko sa kanya.
Ay, turo mo sa kanya. Ang gagawa niya nga. Ang galing ni Abby.
Sabi ko sa'yo, mami.
Ito naman yung plastic na ito.
Like this, Happy, you forgot.
Okay, you get ano.
Tangin at papi. Ang laki tulong dito ni Happy. Promise.
Ganun na siya magloko.
Nilulukot. Lati so, nilulukot na muna. Sigagano niya yung flash. Talag niya na sabon. Tangin na. Ang galing ni Happy. Oh, so, Mami Kat. Pakita mo kay Mami Kat. Come on, dito muna kay Mami Kat. Pakita mo, so Mami Kat.
Paano? Ay, huwa. Paano tapos? Paano mag-open? Oo. Ganyan. Tapos? Katama. Kakaganan mo, ang gagawin. Oh, tapos? Ay, wow!
Soap.
Oh, what will you put? What will you put?
The soap na.
Oh, you give it to Mommy Honey.
Come on. Very good, Happy. We're so proud of you.
Thank you, Toto Heart.